Hey y'all, you'll never believe where I am. I am in Disney World in Florida. Oh my goodness. And we are staying at Saratoga Springs, which is one of the deluxe resorts. So we're feeling a little bougie today. I am excited to show you this room. So let me flip you around and let you take a look. So this is me standing at the door. Immediately on my right, we've got a coat hanger, purse rack kind of situation here. And behind me next to the door is a full length mirror. And the door is right there. Now this is a room that has an adjoining door, but we are not buddies with the people next door, so we're going to keep that locked. All right, back to the front door. We'll start walking in, and you come around the corner, and on the left you have a pretty little kitchenette, and it's set up to where you can stay here for like a week. So we've got some top cabinets there, microwave, paper towel holder, ice bucket, we've got can opener, a couple of utensils, a toaster, a full-size coffee pot, a little sink, and there is the mini fridge right there. So let me open up these cabinets and let you see what's inside. Yes, I got some utensils and some paper plates and paper cups and some more paper towels up there. And then coming down underneath the sink, that is empty. And here at the sink, you can see the faucet there. They do give you some hand soap and some things to wash your dishes with. They give you a supply of coffee stuff, and they give you Joffrey's coffee, which is so good. Love Joffrey's coffee. And there is the full-size coffee pot and toaster. All right, so moving to the right side here is the vanity area. How pretty is that? Look how nice. I just really like this place. All right, and here is a closet here. Just a bifold door. Got some decent hangers here, iron board, iron, more hangers there. And they even have their vacuum and their broom. I hope they don't expect me to do my own housekeeping. I also have a safe so you can lock up your valuables. So one of my favorite amenities in the Disney Resort hotel rooms is this little mirror here. And you wouldn't think it's that big of a deal, but I just love it. So it's just regular over there. And of course it's magnified right there. But it lights up and I just love it. I don't know why. It's just one of my favorite things. Makes life a little bit easier. All right, and there are the new products. So Disney has changed over. It looks fairly similar, but they changed over. They're doing the H2O products where they used to do the H2O products. This is what they're using now. Some more towels and Kleenex there. There is the hair dryer and the extra space. All right. So immediately to the right, this is where the bathroom is. And it's so well done. We've got towel hangers or robe hangers right there. Here is the potty. And we've got a towel rack there. That's what that looks like. All right. And their shower is super nice. We've got these frosted glass, sliding glass doors. They're so nice. I love the color scheme that they've chosen in here. And there is a look at the Disney products in their shower. And y'all check out this tile work, how beautiful. I mean, really, I want this in my bathroom. That is so beautiful. Oh, we're gonna have one of those, I guess that's called a a waterfall or rain. What is that called? Throw it down in the comments. I don't have one of these. I've seen them. I've never used one. Is it called a rainfall shower head? Drop me a comment. Let me know what that's called. And it also has a handheld, which is super nice. And that thing up on the wall right there, that is a clothesline. So when you have your wet bathing suits and stuff, you can do your clothesline. It's retractable and it hooks in right there. Coming out of the bathroom, we go into the main sleeping area. So this right here is just an electric closet, I think, and it's locked. I can't get in it. But look at how pretty this is. So these are 2 queen beds, and I'll show you something fun in just a second. Got the thermostat on the wall there. The nightstand with 2 USBs and 2 plugs. And the phone is right there. Look how beautiful. So I don't know if you've picked up or not, but there's an equestrian theme going on at this hotel, Saratoga Springs, like the race track. And that little box right there, that's kind of like it's an Alexa. And over here, we've got 2 USBs and 1 plug. I just love that headboard. That is so pretty. All right, now here's what's special about this room. That right there, that's a Murphy bed. Yep, absolutely, it's a Murphy bed. And we've got a little sofa here and a little coffee table here. And here is what the Murphy bed looks like pulled out. Isn't that cute? Look at that pretty picture in there. Oh, I just love that. Oh, we just found out that the light in the Murphy bed doesn't work. Bummer. Yeah, we just pulled it out, and that does not rest on the coffee table, so we did have to move it out of the way. We've got 6 drawer dresser there and a big screen TV right above. Super, super nice. Over here, pretty mirror on the wall, and also we have a little bench, and that bench does have some drawers on the bottom for some extra storage. And that's what that looks like. All right, so looking at this big, beautiful window with these gorgeous curtains, you walk towards it and you see that we've got us a balcony, and I am super excited about that. So this one is big on golf. There's a huge golf course with this particular resort, and this room does overlook the golf course. So let's go out and see what it looks like out there. All right, so I've got some next door neighbors. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, this place is gorgeous. And they do give us some good seating out here so we could sit, have some morning coffee. All right, coming back into the room. This is how it looks from here. It is just a beautiful room. I'm just tickled to death about it, just tickled to death. All right, so we are on vacation, so I will probably have quite a bit to add to this vlog as we go along. Looking forward to posting this one. Stay tuned.